Hiya Nine, hope you're all well. Hope you and your families are well during these strange times and coping at home. I've seen lots of you getting involved on Facebook and Instagram, which is brilliant to see. So sending in examples of good work, nominations for teachers to do silly things, baking cakes for key workers, which is really nice to see. So keep that up and keep going. Keep checking your emails on a weekly basis because I'm sending out the weekly challenges on a Monday. Well done to Casey and Ethan who have won so far. This week's one's quite difficult and I've had a lot of emails about it, which is nice because it shows that a lot of you are getting involved in it, and hopefully it's passing a little bit of time and keeping you occupied. Just pay attention this week to the last equation and look at what the man is wearing and look at what he's holding in particular, because that's key to getting the right answer. I personally can't wait to get back to school, to see all your teachers, to see all the students, and just to get back into a normal way of working, into a little bit of a routine. I also can't wait for the hairdressers to open, because some of you might have noticed I've done a little bit of a DIY haircut and it's gone a little bit shorter than I normally have it, so I need that looking at. Now I usually have the talk, it usually comes in year 11 when I say to students that they should enjoy school while they're there because they'll miss it when it's gone. Now you've had a little bit of a taste of life without school, or life without normal school anyway, and I bet now most of you can't wait to get back to school and to get back into the routine of coming to school, seeing your friends, seeing your teachers, learning new skills, going to different lessons and just mixing up your day a little bit. Remember to stay in touch with friends and family, keep in touch, text messages, phone calls, video calls, just keep in touch with people and keep everybody going. Stay home, stay safe and see you all soon.